Just giving you stuff about.
That's good. Get your foot. My foot is my point.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the oldest of them all?
Bro, wait till finally, bro.
Mama so.
I'm about to be so
No,
wrong.
grandma is.
My GPS score about to be so wrong.
Mirror,
get the
mirror
iPhone
on the
16.
wall. Who's the fattest of them all?
Definitely. Cooking with.
Eating with mama. Eating with mama. Eating with mama. A big chewy cookie.
Mama, do Asian people grow up knowing how to speak Asian just like English people?
Because it's their native language.
So if you're black and your dad is black and y'all are born in
Japanese.
and y'all are born in Japan, do the baby know how to speak
Black people
Japanese?
aren't born in Japan.
What?
What black person you know born in Japan?
I don't know a goddamn black person personally born in goddamn
So there's
Japan.
no one
But,
black.
bro,
I'm saying like
What?
there are black people born in Japan.
Wait, mama.
I'm saying that's a what
Mama,
if.
my teacher said that January 20th is a holiday.
Yeah.
It is. My teacher said
What?
that.
What's the holiday, honey? What's the holiday? Happy Purple Day.
Dr.
Like,
Martin Luther King Day.
Mm-hmm.
I hope we don't have school on that day. Even though
We don't.
nobody's celebrating that, but
But tell me why for spring break we have a week off. 1 week.
only 1 week for spring break. They should give us.
You're sitting here. I'm
What?
She's sleeping in here with you guys.
No, she's not.
Okay.
I'm tired of that. Please.
Cooking with chill guy. Cooking with chill.
The chill guy know how to cook.
Okay, guys, let's be chill and talk like this.
Sorry.
Stop tipping my toes.
You're cricket.
Guys, let's talk like this. Let's talk like this while Mama's eating a big fat cookie.
A big giant. Get your ass out my room.
That's too much, Captain. Get away from me. Guys, let's be chill, guys.
You
sound crazy.
You like tired guy.
Chill, guys.
Chill guy is the coolest. What's the name that's ever been created?
Roblox.